This is lesson 11.2, Areas of Trapezoids, Rhombi, and Kites. Your objectives are to find the areas of trapezoids, rhombi, and kites. Number 1, we have a trapezoid. So we will use the formula for the area of a trapezoid, which is half height times the sum of the bases. Substitute in the values and solve. The height is 5 and the bases are 31 and 16. That gives you a grand total of 117.5 meters squared. On that one we knew all of the values we needed, so we just substituted right in. On number 3 we have a kite. The formula for area is half diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. Well, I know diagonal 1 is 16.4 inches, but I don't know the other diagonal. Since a kite is symmetrical, the top half is 2.4 and the bottom half is also 2.4, giving a grand total of 4.8. So now I have my two diagonals. Half of 16.4 times 4.8 and that's about 39.4 inches squared. Make sure you substitute the correct piece. Since half of the one diagonal was 2.4, we had to double it to use 4.8 in the formula. For number 6, we have a rhombus. Area is half diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. Well, we only know part of the diagonals. Remember, in a rhombus, the diagonals are cut in half. So if this part's 5, the other part's also 5. And if this one's 2, the other one is also 2. So the numbers we put in for the diagonals will be the whole pieces, the 2 5s making a 10, and the 2 2s making a 4. Work that out, and you get 20 centimeters squared. Remember to substitute the correct numbers in. We had to take the half diagonals and make them into whole diagonals. Find each missing length. Number 7. A trapezoid has base lengths of 19.5 and 24.5 centimeters with an area of 154 centimeters squared. What is the height of the trapezoid? Well, we need to use the values we are given, the area of a trapezoid formula, and solve for what we don't know. I know the two bases and the area, and we're going to solve for the height. Area is 154. I don't know the height, so we'll leave it h. And the two bases are 19.5 and 24.5. Simplify the right doing the parentheses there. And we get 44. On the right, multiply half by 44. And you get 22h on the right side. Divide both sides by 22, and h is 7. So the height is 7 centimeters. Remember to substitute in the values that you know, solve for what you don't.